I am a dedicated ecologist, environmentalist, educator, and the pioneer of the eco-arts movement in Tamil Nadu. I served as a teacher at the historic Diamond Jubilee Higher Secondary School, Gobi Chittipalayam, from 1st August 1991 to 28th February 2026, and I continue to actively carry out my environmental initiatives to this day. For over 4 decades, beginning from my days as an 11th standard student in 1982, my life's mission has been to seamlessly fuse environmental activism with formal education, transforming generations of students into active environmental stewards. I completed my doctoral degree PhD in agricultural economics with an environmentally focused thesis titled Pesticide Use Efficiency in Indian Agriculture. I serve as the coordinator of the National Green Corps, the Eco Club, and the Bhavani River Protection Council. Through my 35 years of academic service at Diamond Jubilee Higher Secondary School, I built a living eco-nursery. Additionally, at my home, I developed the Munawar Eco Home Nursery, and I also established the Munawar Eco Farm. Through these nurseries, I cultivate 10,000 saplings per year and distribute them to schools, colleges, and voluntary organizations entirely free of cost. Furthermore, I produce 5,000 seed balls every year and disperse them across the foothills of the Western Ghats. From this annual yield, 3,000 saplings are systematically planted across the Erode district and its surrounding areas every single year. To cultivate widespread public ecological literacy, I conduct annual seminars, capacity building workshops, awareness rallies, nature camps, and unique eco-art exhibitions. I have also conducted original organic agricultural research in my home vegetable garden on crops such as radish, brinjal, and cluster beans, successfully multiplying their growth and yield production. During the critical periods of the COVID-19 pandemic, 2020 to 2021, I dedicated my services to the community at the Gobi Arts College COVID-19 Protection Center. Serving as a prominent environmental author and speaker, I have actively published an extensive portfolio of environmental works, which features 5 published poetry books exploring nature's themes, as well as 50 analytical essays featured prominently in leading daily national newspapers. I have delivered 35 insightful environmental talks and presentations across major television and radio broadcasting networks. Driven by a passion to inspire the next generation, I also organize comprehensive regional environmental competitions every year, engaging local youth through creative mediums such as drawing, analytical essay writing, and interactive educational quizzes. Major awards and recognitions. My lifelong self-driven contribution has been widely honored. National Teacher Award 2019 Historical Contribution to the Education. South Indian Science Fair Environment Award 2016 conferred at Visvesvaraya Museum, Bangalore, for water-saving agricultural innovation. Tamil Nadu State Environmental Award 2003-4 conferred by the state government for exemplary services to ecology. Distinguished laurels, consistent top prizes at district, state, and South Indian level exhibitions for eco-designs and student guidance. Thank you.